Hello everyone and welcome to the new Wix tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to add team member section on Wix.com. So first thing first, what you need to do is that you need to go to your Wix.com. Here you need to click on login or sign up, then use a table password to create an account using an email or your Google account, and a dashboard is going to appear on your screen. Let's just say this is your dashboard. Now let's just talk about how we are going to create a professional looking website that showcases your team expertise and builds trust with your audience. So you don't need to look further than Wix.com because it is a powerful website that allows you to create a stunning website and add a team section here. Simply add a new template, drag and drop functionality, and use a user-friendly interface. It is very easy on Wix. You have to follow about 5 to 6 steps in order to get a team member section. Simply choose a template, add a team section, customize a team member's profile. You need to design the layout. You need to add the team member's detail. You need to preview it and simply publish it if you like it. Or you can also adjust the changes or add sections and elements, or so many changes that you can be made according to what you want. So without any delay, let's just get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, after the dashboard appears on your screen, what you need to do is create a new website where you would be able to add a new team member section. So they're going to ask you some simple questions. I'm going to click on set up without the chat. Now they're going to ask me what type of website do I want to create. Let's just say it is a team member section, so I continue on restaurants. So it is going to help it find that what I am looking for, or what type of the templates that I'm looking for, and it will actually provide me the templates according to my taste. Now they're going to ask me a few simple questions, that what is the name of my site. Here, let's just say this is ABC. I am going to continue. You can also skip this part or add these details later on. I'm going to continue. Here we are all set. We are going to continue to the dashboard. Now I am going to click on here. It has directed me to my dashboard. Simply go click on design site. Now you have two options. Either you can generate a design with AI. This is basically used when you are going to take some ideas from AI to design a site with the idea of your own and start from the scratch. This is much of a labor route rather than using a customized template. I'm going to use this option because I don't have to worry about anything. I have provided my Wix the details about what I want. I'm looking for the restaurants, and it has provided me so many templates related to the restaurant. So let's just say I choose one of these. You see there are so many options. You could choose any one of these. Now, after I have created a website, you see it is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes, or maybe less than a minute, to load your website and prepare your site. Once you're happy with your team section, you would be easy to completely click on publish. But right now, since I am choosing a design and layout, we can use the drag and drop editor to adjust the layout, the colors and fonts of the team section. We need to make sure it matches the website design and the press. It completely matches the design and the branding of the website. So yeah, it has completely shown me so many options. Now I am looking for the team section, so what I'm going to do is find a blank page here. You see, what I need to do, since this template is only for the purpose of the video, so I'm going to use one of the pages. Let's just say I use this page, and I'm going to delete all the images, or you can also add a new page in it. So I am going to delete the Wixflow gallery. Here you see I have so many options here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to add elements. Here I am going to go to the option of strip. Here you see there's an option of strip. Go click on it, and when you click on the strip option, you see there are so many options like classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and team. I'm looking for the team section, so I'm going to click on this. Now there are so many options that you can use any of these. So let's just say I'm looking for the teamwork. There are all these 3 to 4 options. Let's just say I click on this one, and this is how my team member area is going to appear. Now I can drag it and drop it according to what I was looking for. You can also change the layout as I have said before, or you can change the background. You can also background scroll effect, layout, you could change these. For instance, I am looking for something more of this, or you could also add different columns if you want. But since I'm not looking for the columns, so what I'm going to do is go to the layout, and I am going to keep it, let's just say I would like to keep it to the equals 3. Now you can also change the designs, you can shape the dividers, or you can also change the images. If you have the images of your own from the gallery, what you're going to do is simply click on this image, and you're going to go to the edit image. Here you will be able to edit the image. You will be able to delete it, then you will be able to upload the image of your own, or you can simply go to edit image to add the image of your own. Now what I can do is, you see I can go to the change, or I can click on adjust. We can add our files here if you have any. If you don't have any, then this one is also fine. You can also, you see there's so many options that you can use. Or this is how you're going to add your team members here. Since I don't have any image and this is just for the sake of the video and nothing is making more sense, so this is just the brief introduction of how you would be able to add the team member section here. If you just say that this is actually what I was looking for, I'm going to go click on the preview, and this is how it's going to appear on my screen. It'll show me that how people are going to view my website. This is how they're going to look at my website. I'm going to go back to the editor. You can also preview it in the mobile mode, that how people would be able to check your website in the mobile. Let's just say this is how it's going to appear on the mobile. And my team member area, this is my team member area that is going to appear on the mobile. Now, this is how you will be able to add a team member area on your website. Now, if you like it, you are happy with your team section, click on the publish button to save your changes. You can preview your team section on different devices to ensure that it looks good on all the screens, like I've shown you on the desktop menu or on the mobile mode. So this is how you're going to add the team member details. You can also add, like I've told you before, you can add the details of each and every member. You can change the layout, or you can also add their contact information, their names. You can also add the social media links, or you can also delete them. So this is how you will be able to add the team member section, and if you like it, you're simply going to publish it or save it for later. That's it. You have added a team member section to your Wix website within a few minutes. You know, Wix website builders make it easy to create a professional looking website without any coding expertise. You don't have to be a very expert. These all features are completely secure, and you can play with so many features to get the best out of Wix website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.